you have to submit as a cluster project, like integrated project. Like basically, suppose you want to go for any miniaturization. So you want to have a manufacturing unit or manufacturing device that has to be developed with reference to the IoT. So everything I need is through app. So every machine has to talk to each other. So this is the angle of government now emphasizing more on the like IoT product, not on the like a standalone product. So this is where the initiative started.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. I attended also on industry related. I think
Okay.
a Department of Biotechnology was doing.
Yeah,
Okay.
whatever it is, whether it's a biotechnology lab or whether it's a like a
Yes,
industrial
yes, 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 yes.
commercial, everything is integrated in one platform. So that is
Yes, yes.
where the ministry is going to play the major role. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. That's good. Right. Thank you, sir, very much.
Okay.
Dear participants, sir is representing from Minister of Government of India, so you can ask the questions directly to the partner, sir. It is good. I think so. Dear participants, if you have any questions regarding IoT or Industry 4.0, sir is an expert in that field. You can ask directly to the Pandian sir.
They continue with the project submission.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please. It seems no questions, sir. We will please continue the session, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Perfect, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me move on to this the project submission scheme which is available in Ministry of Electronics. So these are the different areas where it's covered. One is R&D in electronics, R&D in information technology, R&D in CCBT, that is communication convergence in broadband technology, R&D in cybersecurity. We have innovative IPR and excellence, center of excellence. In center of excellence, we have separate division for IoT, separate division for manufacturing integration and emerging areas of technologies. And there are various schemes and policies available. And we are like as you are all aware, like we have funded many projects related to manufacturing, like electronics or like electrical power. So these are the different areas. So as far as the material is concerned, they are more concrete towards the outcome. Like apart from DST, METI is more concerned towards the implementation, towards any product. So that's where the major strength of the Ministry of Electronics lies with us. So as well as we have an internship scheme for the students, that from 50 number students can join us every year, and this can be integrated. And they have some honorarium like fellowship also, like something 10,000 rupees. I'm not sure. So this can be these are the different platforms where you can have a look, and whichever the platform which you feel like to good, you can just submit your proposal. So one is that the division under R&D is it covers the electronic system, R&D in medical electronics, healthcare, electronics materials like nano material, what I'm talking about, and the component development divisions. We have microelectronic divisions and nanotechnology initiative divisions, and this comes in R&D. And innovative in IPR. So we support for the IPR filing also. We need to support for IPR filing also, and there's a separate division for that. And there is a division under R&D in information technology where high performance computing divisions are executed and promoting HPC to enhance the national capacity, all solving problems, and it's a global relevance. And we are having a separate division for promoting the R&D and human resource development area, high performance computing. And we have a division in the emerging area that comes under digital preservative, green computing, bioinformatics, and free open source software also where you can develop and submit as a proposal. And we have a ITSA, that is Information Technology Research Academy, that goes for the mobile computing network applications and IT-based innovation for water resource projects. There is other division is the communication convergence. This is totally covers the communication-based project where see apart from covering this communication, you can also submit as a proposal in terms of the like cluster project, like interdisciplinary project. You can submit as a mechatronics project where the mechatronics can communicate with this outside world. So these are the apart from 3G, 4G technology, these external device manufacturing device also can be communicated with the hypothetical systems in IoT through machine to machine. So these are the different structures of the division where they handle the project. And some of the ongoing new projects which have been already delivered is like in the broadband technology, low technology based system for enhancing security, quality of security. As you can talk about the small cell Wi-Fi network, early fire detection, and there are fire duplex wireless communications. There are hydrogeological detection systems. So these are the different projects. Recently, we have like a lot of projects we have been submitted for this PKI also, like public infrastructure, where the digital transactions have been enhanced, and for the digital India initiative. So this is one of the most the impact from the government of India sector, where a lot of projects have been deployed, and still we are supporting for this IoT based project, more projects, because now the more attention is given to IoT because a lot of emerging technologies are coming out, like artificial intelligence. Suppose we want to work in terms of agriculture, the most wanted. So these are the most like identified areas where you can start working, thinking, and to submit the proposal. The R&D in cybersecurity, this is one separate division where they deal with the cryptography and analytics, security architecture, vulnerable detection analysis. So these, I don't think this is not that much relevant to this audience. Maybe this is one division what they deal with this cybersecurity. And other than the monitoring, surveillance, and forensics, the intrusion detections and content traffic and computer forensics. See, these are the different other divisions projects they'll handle under this division cybersecurity. And these are the schemes. When I talk about this information communication technology and electronics, they deal with this type of project where they deal with the mechatronics projects, computing, including the cloud, unique computing, and software emerging technology, mathematical modeling, human interference. They deal with RF technology, like a multimeter wave technology, Indian language technologies. So these are the different structure they handled in the R&D and innovative framework. And that is one proposal is like TIDE, where we support for technology incubation and development enterprises. In this TIDE project, majorly like you can go to the proposal and change. It is a very good proposal where you can start your own incubation at your center. Like for this, like a ministry is supporting up to 1.5 schemes. I'm not sure. So these are the objectives for the TIDE. It is strengthen the technology incubation center where you can develop your own nanoscience lab also. If you are able to apply for this, you can have your own nanoscience lab, and they are increasing the accelerating development of products and packaging, bridging the gap between the R&D and the commercialization, because they help up to starting up the hub, like a startup hub. So these are the startup companies basically. So they promote this. And one more scheme is a multiplier grant scheme. In this, they strengthen the linkage between the industry and the institute, and they promote the industry-oriented R&D at the institute, and encourage the acceleration development of indigenous products and packages. They make a bridge between the R&D to. So these are the different schemes where you can get visualized by uh, uh, working together in the like a multidisciplinary proposal. So where you can have either you can start up your own incubation center at your place, or you can submit a proposal as a integrated one. So this strengthen your proposal value. And there is one division is the STTP, that is Software Technology Park of India, where they support for the patent protection in electronic and information technology, or it is integrated technology, whatever the concept behind that. And they support for the intellectual patent protection also, and the support for IPR awareness seminars, workshops, and conferences for the education institutes. They fund for the so many awareness programs from the various stakeholders. And this is the one intention I'm talking about. This is like inflation for the students. So every year, these are the areas which has been identified by Minister of Electronics, and they develop the skills for the students. Initially they are appointed for 2 months with some fellowship, and they can be extended for 3 months depending upon the performance of the candidate. So these are the different areas that have been identified: computing, power law, cyber law, electronic equipment, geographical systems, hardware industries. So people can apply through hardware industries like nanotechnologies, R&D, electronic R&D, information technology. So these are the different skills they can able to reach specialize. And again, coming back to the innovation promotion, we have a technology incubation and development of entrepreneurs, that is Type 2.0. This is the latest type proposal. Here, we support for the technical startups under uh, thematic area, that is the healthcare, agriculture, financial inclusion, digital payment, infrastructure, environmental, cleaning the technical and clean energy, like a power sector, and we have separate native startup hubs. So here I'm talking about this. You can start up your own incubation center. You can be your own entrepreneur. Have your you can have your own startup hub. So this division is going to help you to start up your own company, and they can you can register under MSME. So these are the different schemes, and Tide will support you setting up the strengthening technologies in like in institutional or higher learning, and they encourage the indigenous product or packaging, and they'll improve your skills by developing the manpower development. So these are the different structures and objectives of the scheme. And I think I already discussed about this multiple grant scheme. So this is what I'm talking about, Ministry Startup Hub. So you can just Google it. Um, Here, if I talk about, it has a lot of, it's coming under one umbrella. Like it improve your business growth, increase your growth, innovative ecosystem, center of excellence, schemes and policies, startups, incubation centers, improving your business, collaborations, and they support for the learning systems, they support for workshops. So these are the single window operations to start up your company and different ventures, and you can submit a proposal as well under the scheme also. And finally, there is the IPR promotions where they create the awareness and facilitate the support and promoting IPRs in the field of information technology, communication technology, and creating an infrastructure for strong IPR ecosystem. And we are separate division for technology development Indian languages, because it is a apart from Hindi, English, they support for the other languages also to develop and modernization. So, because Indian is a secular country where we have a lot of languages are spoken out. So, if you want to develop a particular language, you can always submit a proposal in this division also. So, finally, come back. This is the outlook of a bureaucrat. In emerging technology, blockchain, IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, drone technology, geospatial technology, these are all betterment for the future countries. See, in one of the speech, Prime Minister mentioned that India can lead a revolution movement using artificial and blockchain with a value addition. It means he wants to bring every Indian citizen to come back to predict what is going to happen. Suppose in your nanotechnology also, how far this material is going to utilize. You can have your strengthen your material utilization by using the artificial intelligence. So the material can predict. It can predict the utilization as well as how far the product is going to be at the end value. So these are the different mode of technologies can be utilized for these manufacturing sections also. And during one of the parliament session, the late deputy sir also announced that blockchain and assured government commits to explore blockchain technology for I think the digital economy. So apart from digital economy, so this blockchain technology is going to improve your structure basically. So it's going to improve the modernization of the country structure, so that what my the final input is this, whether it is a manufacturing or industry thing. So everything should be integrated in one platform. It has to be in a handy manner so that it can improve the GDP of the country. So in this angle, those revolutions will make a big impact towards the society. So is there any questions or want to have much discussion on this presentation?
Yes, sir. I request our dear participants, please, if you are having any question, please unmute yourself and you can ask directly to our resource person, or you can type your question in the chat box. We will read on behalf of you.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
please.
Sir, actually, can you tell little more about IPR promotion?
Yeah, sure. What type of IPR you want to discuss? You want to go for a like a product IPR or like individual IPR, a company IPR? What type of thing?
No, no, product actually for research purpose.
Yeah. See, actually, this this IPR is basically you are innovative. Suppose you have made some miniature using nanotechnology or nanoscience or technology materials. So anything can be IPR. You can go for filing your IPR, and you can share your basic design or basic idea, what you are planning to take in future. So for this, maybe you can submit a proposal, or you have to. There's a forms are available, so you have to fill it out and submit, and they maybe is going to support you on the full like funding. I think you can just go through it. Otherwise, there are other divisions also available where you can submit your IPR, like NRDC. NRDC is also supporting for IPR issues. So these they have a lot of queries. Uh, you can address there, and you can go for a method. This idea is basically there are a lot of different there. Actually, you can integrate these information. There are a lot of subsections, subdivisions are there. Uh, ideas are integrated with a good structure, like a professional companies or you actually school examinations, idea, what type of design you want to integrate. So these things can be integrated.
Okay. Thank you, sir, very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir. Please.
sir. I'm Dr. Himanshu Maharana from Bhubaneswar. The thing is that actually we have in the process of developing one healthcare product,
Okay.
and that is there to be. It is not disclosed right now, but the thing is that for the healthcare product, can I apply to the Department of Information Technology for
Mhm.
getting a non-technical, being a non-technical institution? Because I belong to the technical institution, but the thing is that I'm associated with a non-technical institution, and it is right as a nursing type of institution. Can we apply the health type of product there in the Department of Information Technology?
Yeah, Dr. Imansu, thanks for your question. First of all, I tell you there is nothing like it's a non-technical technical. When you have your idea, whether it's a healthcare or whether it's fuel electronics, whether it is a mechanical, so everything is integrated. So even for healthcare also, electronics are integrated, mechanicals are integrated.
Okay,
So
sir.
my better feel is that if we can integrate with some other, you can submit this proposal as a cluster project. So instead of my personal opinion, instead of submitting as a individual project from your end, try to integrate it with some institute so that your proposal can come out with a good shape.
Okay,
So
sir.
if
Okay.
you can submit, that is no doubt. My better
Okay.
feel is our prediction is that ultimately METI requires a product. They are
Okay,
not
sir.
going to give any product, any information with a book. They will take you to the startup hub. They will integrate. They will commercialize. They will go for IPR. So this is the structure we have. Every division we have proposal, IPR, startup hub. It becomes the person who is going to take up this work can become an entrepreneur by selling his product. So this is the whole goal of this any promotion of submissions of the proposal.
Okay, sir. Sir, another thing is that suppose I'm there to a particular department. That department means for under METI, I'll be you be going for this healthcare. Should I apply it to METI or any healthcare sub departments are there?
So here you can always apply through the emerging technology. In emerging technology, there is a division they handle for this healthcare.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Keep this is very thing in your mind. When you apply for healthcare, it has to reach every citizen.
Okay, sir.
So it
Okay,
should
sir.
be utilized for every citizen. That's what the goal also. When you develop a product, it has how it's going to reach. That's very
Okay.
important. Otherwise, like spending crores and crores of money on a proposal or project, it should not keep idle.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right. Right.
Integrate the technology also. Apart from healthcare products, we integrate the technology also so that it can be utilized. like for the modernization world.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. That thing is there also because
Yeah.
that is also helpful for the modernization goal. Okay,
Yes,
okay, sir.
of course. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Dear participants, if you are having any question, please unmute yourself and you can ask directly to our resource person. Or you can type your question in chat box. We will ask on behalf of you.
Dr. Rajesh, you have played something DSP, the call for proposal.
Sir, actually, some participant has asked that any related agencies for submitting the proposals.
Okay.
So
okay.
right now the DST is open, sir. So
Yeah.
I have posted that link.
I'll tell you one more thing. In MATI, we do not go for regular call for proposal. What DSP do?
Oh, okay, sir.
You cannot expect a regular call for, because two things are we are very limited people that didn't, but you can submit. There's nothing like you cannot submit. You can submit a proposal. They will give you a call for once it is they are resuming the proposal. It's like every 6 months they resume the proposal. They collect the proposal, they keep evaluating it, they keep it, they evaluate every 6 months. This is the general structure. But DST charges very regularly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, MATI is open for throughout the year, sir.
Throughout the year, you can submit anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah, CCBT is going to give a call for in December or January. Like they gave in June. Now they'll give in December or January maybe. Because of this COVID, become a bit late, but they'll be giving a regular 6 months call for it. And you can get updated in the website.
Sir, actually you have mentioned in the internship, sir, in that can any mechanical engineering students can apply for that internship, sir?
Yeah, that's what I told you. It's integrated. So you can always come with a proposal. Any student who wants to appear for this internship, there are some rules and regulations also. They have to come up with an idea what they want to execute at this place. Suppose if you want to get some miniaturization or LabVIEW or like a manufacturing concept integrated with electronics. So you have to take that idea what he wants to come and work here.
But sir, how they will get the facilities, sir?
We have a lab. They'll provide. Don't worry.
That's what, sir. That's what. Okay.
All over India, they'll take only 50 students.
Oh, okay, sir.
It's like some grading systems are there. You can go through the guidelines.
Right, sir. Sure, sir.
You can apply for that also.
Sure, sir. We will encourage the students. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, normally, another question, sir. Will I be able to question another one, sir?
Yeah, no, it's please.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Actually, sir, the thing is that I forgot to say that in automated healthcare in rural and urban areas, sir, what can be the probable projects? Hello.
Yeah. Can you just repeat?
Automated healthcare in rural and urban areas. That is different from my topic because my topic is quite different from that. But it is belonging to automated healthcare in rural areas. Can you give the probable names so that we can be going on that line also?
See, rural areas, I'll tell you, there is NRDC, National Rural Development Corporation. So this is like it is coming under Minister of Rural Development. So it has one division in Hyderabad. So if you can approach them, so they have their this facility also, and you can have a collaboration with them. You can submit a proposal because they are the best place. They are the best person to come in the rural development.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
National Rural Development, that is the NRDC. They call it NRDC.
NRDC. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
One resource person is there. You can talk to Mr. Dr. Ramesh Sattivel.
Dr. Ramesh?
Dr. Ramesh. You can approach him. He may be guiding you properly.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Dear participants, any questions? Our resource person is waiting for you. Any question you can unmute and you can ask directly to our resource person. Or you can type your question in chat box. We will read on behalf of you.
Panyan sir, this is Chandrasekhar Reddy sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, you told that some center of excellence will be provided under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for the colleges.
Yeah.
Center of excellence like nanotechnology, something.
Yeah,
So
Dr.
what are
Reddy,
the-
there are, already we have supported many center of excellence. It's already available in the country.
Okay.
Two
What is the
things you can
criteria?
do.
Sir, what is the
Yeah, let me clarify.
sorry.
Yeah, you just complete your question. Yes, complete your question.
What is the criteria, sir? Criteria to select the colleges?
Okay. Uh, uh, let me answer for the query. See, there are a lot of center of excellence already available in our country. Already made is supported. In this regard, uh, two things you can do. Either you can approach the center of excellence, you can start your own startup hubs there because they support for the developing your own office for developing your own project. You can submit the project in the center of excellence also. If you want to develop your center of excellence at your place, then you have to apply separately to the ministry. So there is one division which is holding like having a control over, or they will be scrutinizing the applications for developing a center of excellence. In the center of excellence, you have to be very clear what you are trying to do, what type of support you are going to extend. So a lot of details you have to provide. So if you want, I can share you the document. You can just go through that.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. One more question. You also told that we are going to provide some funding for the conferences. Sorry, for that's what.
Yeah, you can submit. There is a division. I told it ITR division. The ITR division handles this. So you can submit your proposals, your what conference, workshop, these things handled by them. They support. They support with as per regular structure of government sector.
Okay.
But only thing is make sure that the topic is relevant to this modern world.
Okay, that everything should be relevant to the society. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Useful
So
for
what awareness you're going to create? Suppose you want to conduct a workshop or conference, what is the awareness you're going to create in the country?
Okay.
So that's very important.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So any participants can want to have long discussion in future also. You can approach me. You can collect my like a mail ID from Dr. Reddy. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I can share my number. No issue. And any discussion you can get me.
Dear participants, our resource person mobile number is available in chat box. You can contact for in future. Dear participants, please ask your questions. Please unmute yourself and directly I can ask to our resource person. Sir, it seems no, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir. I will go with vote of thanks, sir. Is it okay, sir?
No. Let me confirm.
Yes,
I've
please.
been so tired for last 1 week. They have been you've been keeping them busy with the last 1 week courses, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, thanks for your calling me. I'll just thank Dr. Reddy as well as uh, the current the team for inviting me for this presentation. Okay. Thanks for your call.
Sir, just 2 minutes, sir. I'll wind up this white up things, sir. Vote of thanks, please. Thank you for your wonderful presentation, sir. Your presentation added more value for this short-term training program. You have given various schemes and policies which are very useful for all the professors. The takeaway from your presentations are very high. You have started with emerging technologies, information revolution, and Internet of Things, and data and services, Industry Revolution 4.0. And what is that 4.0 you explained? IoT and cyber physical systems, status and the future aspect of IoT. What is big data and IoT? Explained. Application of major industrial technologies and the project submission and schemes, R&D electronics and R&D CC and BT, ongoing new projects and various schemes and policies, and particularly areas of internship schemes. innovation promotion, ministry startup hub, and IPR promotion. Finally, outlook of bureaucrats. Thank you very much, sir. It is a really excellent presentation, sir. Now, I request our convener to conclude the session with thanks to our resource person. I request you, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Soundarpanan, sir.
Yes, please.
On behalf of management, principal Department of Mechanical Engineering of SVCE and the participants of STTP, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and delivering an informative and a thought-provoking webinar on impact of emerging technology and challenges for promotion of manufacturing and implementation of the Internet of Things, and also research promotion schemes organized by SV College of Engineering, Tirupati, in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Soundaran, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Dear participants, you have received a feedback link for both the session. There is no assessment link for morning session. The final assessment link you will take at the afternoon session. The final assessment link will be shared after afternoon session during the vote of thanks. So today our morning session is over, and again we will meet for afternoon session. Our afternoon session starts as usual 2 p.m. I request dear participants, please join 1:45 p.m. itself, so that we can start the program exactly at 2 p.m. Thank you for all.